Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 doesn't even last 5 minutes, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to battery wear, which is quite common in rechargeable devices. If left unresolved, it can lead to more significant problems, ultimately affecting the usability of your vacuum cleaner. To get started on this repair, you will need a replacement battery compatible with your Dyson V10, a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully remove the dust canister to access the battery compartment. Using your T10 Torx screwdriver, locate the screws that secure the battery cover. There are usually 2 screws. Gently unscrew them and place them in a safe location. As you remove the battery cover, be cautious not to damage any of the surrounding components. Once the cover is off, you'll see the battery secured in place. To disconnect the battery, locate the connector and gently pull it out. If it feels stuck, do not force it. Instead, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Now, lift the old battery out of the compartment. Place the new battery in, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector, making sure it clicks into place. Now it's time to replace the battery cover. Align it correctly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the plastic. Once everything is assembled, turn on your Dyson V10 to check if it's functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to avoid letting your battery completely discharge regularly, as this can shorten its lifespan. Also, consider using your Dyson on lower power settings when possible to conserve battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.